Hmm?
Ma'am,
Yes. Sorry? What is it? Correct. Adish, come on. Correct. Continue.
United.
Yes.
Stand one.
Yes. We started a new lesson which is called as
United we stand one.
United. United. We stand. Yes. Can you see the board clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, united we stand. In this,
Good morning.
good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay. What do you mean by united? What do you mean by united, children?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
together.
Sorry? What is it?
Together.
Yes. Together. What do you mean by united? Together. Isn't it? United means together. We are telling it as together. India is a united state. Why united country? Why? Because we have huh? Different.
Because we have so many people.
Yes, we have many cultures. Yes, we have many cultures. In cultures, what all are the things included in cultures?
Dresses.
Yes,
Languages.
languages and
Festivals.
languages. Nia said it as dresses like clothing.
Dress.
Then
Festival.
food.
Festival.
Yes,
Festival.
festivals. Yes. Then huh?
Habit.
Habits. Yes. All this are included in the culture, isn't it? Huh? So each culture is different because of all those things. Different languages, different clothing styles, different food, different festivals, and different habits. Yes. And how many languages do we have altogether? 1,600 languages. About 1,600 languages. Now, in those, how many are called as official languages?
22.
Yes, languages, or you can say it as major language. Okay, so how much is it? 22. And which is our national language, children?
English.
English or Hindi? National.
Malayalam.
Who said national language is Malayalam? Hindi. Yes, international languages? International languages? English? Yes. And which is our mother tongue? Yes, mother tongue is Malayalam, isn't it? Yes? Yes. Now, these are the things we learned in the last class. Now, do you have your textbook in front? Yes. Take page number 2.
Page number
2. There you can see 22 languages. Who can read me this 20? Yes, Kalbi part 2. Part 2, page number 2. You can see 22 languages. Yes? Yes, Tejasvi, please read.
Ma'am, Assamese.
I will make everybody else, let me see who all can read. Okay, let's Tejasvi start. Yes.
Gujarati, Konkani,
Hmm.
Marathi,
Hmm.
Sanskrit,
Hmm.
Telugu, Bengali,
Hmm.
Hindi, Maithili, Nepali, Santali,
Santali.
Santali,
Hmm.
Urdu,
Ah.
Bodo,
Ah.
Kannada,
Ah.
Malayalam,
Hmm.
Oriya,
Hmm.
Sindhi, Dogri,
Yes.
Manipuri, Punjabi, Tamil.
Tamil. Very good. Now who's going to read? Yes. Yes. One second. I'll call. I will call. I have seen so many hands. Yes, Adesh, Vendik, Tajwa. Yes, Ishan. Yes, Dave. Now you start, Dave. Yes, Veda, Stenin and all. I will ask. Okay, don't worry. Assamese.
Assamese, Gujarati,
Konkani.
Konkani, Marathi, Sanskrit.
You can read it as Sanskrit or Sanskrit. No problem.
Sanskrit, Telugu, Bengali, Hindi, Maithili, Nepali, Santali, Urdu, Kannada.
Bodo. It's not Bodo, it's Bodo.
Bodo, Kannada, Malayalam, Oriya, Sindhi,
Dogri.
Kashmiri, Manipuri, Punjabi, Tamil.
Yes. Now, yes, Adesh, read. Adesh.
Assamese, Bengali, Bodo,
Bodo.
Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmir,
Konkani. Maithili.
Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Telugu,
Sanskrit. Santali.
Hindi,
Sindhi.
Tamil,
Telugu. Urdu. Yes, Benedict.
Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Konkani,
Gujarati.
Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani,
Maithili.
Malayalam,
Marathi.
Nepal, Oriya, Punjabi,
Sanskrit. Santali. Sindhi.
Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Urdu. Yes, Ajwa.
Yes, ma'am. Assamese, Gujarati, Konkani, Marathi, Sanskrit, Telugu, Bengali.
It is not Telugu, it is Telugu.
Bengali, Hindi,
Maithili,
Nepali, Santali, Urdu,
Bodo,
Kannada, Malayalam, Oriya, Sindhi,
Dogri,
Kashmiri, Manipuri, Punjabi, Tamil.
Yes. Veda.
Assamese, Gujarati, Konkani, Marathi, Sanskrit, Telugu.
Telugu. Say it is Telugu. Okay. It is not Telugu. It is Telugu. Bengali.
Hindi, Maithili, Nepali, Sandali, Urdu, Bodo,
Hmm.
Kannada, Malayalam, Oriya,
Sindhi.
Hindi, Dogri, Kashmiri, Manipuri, Punjabi, Tamil.
Yes. Now who wants to read? Yes, Mohammed Ehsan. Come on. Yes, Ehsan. Yes, Kasina, I will ask you. Okay.
Assamese, Gujarati, Kannada, Kongani, Marathi, Sanskrit, Telugu, Bengali, Hindi, Maithili, Nepali,
Santali.
Urdu, Bodo,
Kannada. Malayalam.
Oriya, Hindi, Dogri, Kashmiri, Manipuri, Punjabi, Tamil.
Tamil. Yes, Kasina. Assamese. Read louder, dear. I cannot hear clearly. You just speak a little bit louder or come closer to the device.
Assamese, Gujarati,
Konkani.
Marathi,
Marathi. Sanskrit. Telugu.
Bengali, Hindi,
Maithili.
Nepali,
Santali. Urdu. Bodo. Kannada.
Malayalam, Oriya, Hindi, Dogri,
Kashmiri. Manipuri. Punjabi. Tamil. Yes. Ishan. Yes, Jovial, I will ask you. Okay. Where is Ishan? Ishan?
Ma'am, can I?
Are you there? Just long time back he has raised his hands. Yes, Ishan Rajiv. Unmute, dear, unmute.
Assamese, Gujarati, Konkani, Marathi, Sanskrit, Telugu, Bengali, Hindi,
Maithili.
Nepali, Santali, Urdu, Bodo,
Karnataka. Sorry, Kannada.
Malayalam, Oriya, Sindhi,
Dogri.
Kashmiri,
Manipuri.
Punjabi, Tamil.
Yes. Now who else? Who else is going to read? Yes, Rayan Harris. 1 second. Okay, Jovial. After that, Rayan Harris. Then one more. Yes, Colby also. Okay, after that. Where is now Jovial? Yes, unmute and read, dear. Unmute. Assamese.
Gujarati, Konkani,
Marathi,
Hmm.
Sanskrit,
Hmm.
Telugu,
Hmm.
Bengali, Hindi,
Hmm.
Delhi,
Hmm. Nepali.
Nepali,
Hmm.
Nan,
Santali.
Santali,
Hmm. Urdu. Hmm.
Urdu,
Bodo. Hmm. Kannada.
Kannada, Malayalam,
Hmm.
Oriya,
Hmm.
Sindhi,
Sindhi. Dogri. Hmm.
Dogri,
Hmm.
Kash-
Kashmiri.
Kashmiri, Manipuri,
Punjabi.
Punjabi, Tamil.
Tamil. Yes. Now who was going to read after Jovial?
Ma'am, Ryan.
Ryan. Yes. Read. Ryan Harris. Read. Faster. Okay.
Miss
Ah.
Gujarati,
Ah.
Konkani,
Ah.
Marathi,
Hmm.
Sanskrit,
Hmm.
Telugu,
Hmm.
Bengali,
Hmm.
Hindi,
Hmm.
Maithili,
Hmm.
Nepali,
Hmm.
Sandili,
Santali.
Sandali,
Hmm.
Urdu,
Hmm.
Bodo,
Hmm.
Kannada,
Hmm.
Malayalam,
Hmm.
Oriya,
Hmm.
Sindhi,
Hmm.
Dogri,
Hmm.
Kashmiri,
Hmm.
Manipuri,
Hmm.
Punjabi,
Hmm.
Tamil.
Okay. Now Kalbi. Yes, Aradhya, 1 minute. Okay. Hmm.
Gujarat,
Hmm.
Konkani,
Hmm.
Marathi,
Hmm.
Sanskrit,
Hmm.
Telugu,
Hmm.
Bengali,
Hmm.
Hindi,
Hmm. Maithili. Hmm.
Nepali,
Hmm.
Santali,
Hmm.
Urdu,
Hmm.
Bodo, Kannada,
Hmm.
Malayalam,
Hmm.
Oriya,
Hmm.
Hindi,
Hmm.
Dogri,
Hmm.
Kashmiri,
Hmm.
Manipuri,
Hmm.
Punjabi,
Hmm. Yes, Aradhya.
Ashmi,
Aradhya, come on.
Gujarat,
Gujarati. Ah. Gujarati.
Gujarati,
Hmm.
Konkani,
Konkani. Ah.
Marathi,
Marathi. Okay. Ah.
Sanskrit,
Sanskrit. Hmm. Telugu.
Telugu,
Ah.
Bengali,
Bengali. Ah.
Hindi,
Maithili.
Maithili, Urdu,
Hmm.
Bodo,
Bodo. Ah.
Kannada,
Okay, Kannada.
Malayalam,
Hmm.
Oriya,
Hmm.
Sindhi,
Sindhi. Hmm.
Dogri,
Ah.
Kashmiri,
Hmm.
Manipuri,
Hmm.
Punjabi,
Hmm.
Tamil.
Yes. Okay. Now you people know almost all the things, isn't it? All the you can when you hear it, you know that is a official language. Yes. Now let us see what we have in the next page, or like in the map which is given to you. You saw?
Map of India.
Yes. Did you see that? Huh? Major language of India in page number 3. Did you see that?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, your video is yes, ma'am.
I know. 1 second. Okay. Can you see the board?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Now?
Yes.
No. Those who cannot see because of the network only, wait, it will come up. Okay. Hmm? Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Now look here, children. In this, you can see most of the languages which we read right now, isn't it? Huh? But there are few languages which is not seen in this official languages. Can you identify which? In your book also you can find it out. Look at the book also. Third page. There is 2-3 languages which you cannot see in this official language. Can you just point it out?
Nishi. Nishi.
Yes, Nishi. Kashi. Mizo. All those things are there in the official language. No Malayalam and all. Now, these 4, isn't it? Yes or no? These 4 were not there in the official language. Yes?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. So these things were not there in the official languages. So if somebody is asking you some other language rather than the official language, you can write Mizo, Ao, Nishi or Kashi. Okay? Understood? What are the 4? Nishi, Ao, Mizo, then Kashi. Oh, yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, which are not official languages, but all those languages including 1,600 among from 1,600. Okay, but not in 22. Understood, children?
Yes.
So no.
Yes.
Yes. One second. Now, children, the next page you can see 4 pictures.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
One second. Can you see?
Yes.
Now, you can see on the board also. Yes? In page number 4, did you see 4 pictures like this?
Yes.
You can see.
Yes.
You can see. In this you can see here there is something written on the top in one box. Yes?
Yes.
That is how, that is a wish. This much part is a wish. Like you wish good morning, good afternoon, good evening and all. That is a wish of that place. Okay, what is it written there?
Assalamu
Yes, Assalamu alaikum. Yes? Yeah, I know here there are few Muslim children. Children, can you say what you will say back? Then if I say you Assalamu alaikum, what you will say back? Walaikum assalam. Yes? Yes. So that is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. And it is written here her name. I am Afshan. I am Afshan. Now, what is a language? This is a state name. This is a state name. And what is the language here? This is a language. So, what is the language over there? Kashmiri and Urdu. What is it? Kashmiri and Urdu. And what is the third one?
Iran.
That is a dress. And what is the fourth? Kulcha and Rogan Josh. What is it?
And Rogan Josh.
That is the food. Understood, children? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So these are the 4 things in each line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. First one is a state name. Second is a language. Third is a dress name. And fourth is a name of the food. And here it is written the wish. Like we say good morning, good afternoon and all. It is a name. Okay. Now, the next box. What is it written here? Khammagani. That also is a wish. In Malayalam, we will say as namaskaram, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, Khammagani. And here it is written his name as, in English itself, I am Murali. What is the state over there? Who can give me the state?
Rajasthan.
Ah, this Rajasthan. This is the state. Yes. Now, what is the language?
Rajasthani.
Yes, Hindi and Rajasthani. Yes.
Indian Pakistani.
Now, what is the dress?
Bright.
Turban. Turban means this thing. What he is wearing on the head. That is called as a turban. Bright turban. Then Angarka means the top of his dress. Then dhoti is this thing. Okay?
Yes.
Understood. Next, what is it?
Food.
Food. It is bati. Okay, it is not L-B-A-A-T-I. Dal bati. Got it? That is the food. Now, in the next box, I want you to read. Who will read me?
Ma'am,
Let me see other A. Zain. Yes, Zain. Come on.
Salemu.
Salemul. That is a wish.
I am away.
Yes. Which is the state there, dear?
Nagaland.
Nagaland. Yes. What is the language spoken there?
Eo
Ah.
and
Oh, and English. Yes. Which is a dress.
woolen
Woolen shawl.
shell.
Then food.
Meat, rice and vegetables with Tatu.
Tatu. What is it? That is a chutney. The name of a chutney over there. Then who can read me the next?
Ma'am, Ryan.
Ryan and all got chances, isn't it? Adarsh also got the chance. Yes, Abdul, come on.
Namaskaram. I am Savadi.
Abdul, can you read? You started reading? Can you read a bit louder?
Namaskaram.
It is not namaskaram, it is only namaskar.
Namaskar.
Isn't it, Abdul? Yes, namaskar. I am.
Savadi.
What is the state over there, dear?
Maharashtra.
Yes, Maharashtra. And what is the language?
Marathi.
Dress? Parker Polka. Then food is roti. Yes, and that is the name of a curry which is made up of brinjal. Understood? Yes. And likewise, you have in page number 5 and also yes, page number 5 there is. So you have to read it at home. You read it and write it. Okay. What you will write? Write about yourself. There is a place where you have to write about yourself. What is your name and what is your wish? Like we say namaskaram. Yes, isn't it? Malayalam. And what is your state's name? Kerala. Second line, what you will write? It is your language. Third line, what you will write? Your dress. You can write either a man's dress or a woman's dress. No problem. Okay. For the man's dress, what you will write?
Jeans.
Kerala dress is jeans?
Munda.
Munda and shirt. Yes, and for girls or the women?
Chudidar.
Churidar is not Kerala dress. Sari? Yes.
Sari.
Hmm. Then what is the food you are going to write? Not chicken biryani. Please don't write that.
Idli and sambar.
Yes, rice and sambar. Okay, it's not chicken biryani. Don't ever write that. And don't write porota. Yeah, dosha. Dosha and all normally. Okay.
Una.
Ah, idli also, yes. Okay. That you will have to write. Poone. Who said that? Okay, okay. Fine, fine, fine. So, children, let us wind up. Will you write it for the next class?
Yes.
Yes. Ah, okay. So, let us wind up.
Yes. Yes.
Bye, children.
Bye.
Bye.